risk is growing inside Formula One, and the sport may be heading toward a future without its bigger star. If Max Verstappen walks away, the impact will be immediate and the void could be impossible to fill. Verstappen has made his position clear. He does not like the new regulations. The heavy focus on electric power and energy management has changed how drivers race. He even admitted in Japan that he has life decisions to make, and that opens a serious question: who replaces him if he leaves? The answer is not simple, because Verstappen is not just fast, he's a generational talent. His rise was explosive, with 6 straight wins in European F3 at just 16 years old, attracting top teams instantly. Since then, his raw speed and control have set a level few can match. And this is where things change. If we look purely at speed, Charles Leclerc comes closest. His qualifying pace is exceptional, with 27 pole positions despite never having a dominant car. But Verstappen is more than that. His overtakes, his control under pressure, no one truly replicates it. And comes the next wave. Kimi Antonelli is already being watched closely. His rapid promotion to a top team shows belief in his potential. Replacing Verstappen is not just about talent, it's about presence. That's the real problem. Because what makes Verstappen unique is also his attitude: aggressive, uncompromising. His move or crash mentality defined battles like the 2021 title fight. And today, no one on the grid truly carries that same edge. There is also something bigger. Verstappen built a nation behind him. The Orange Army follows him everywhere. Few drivers have ever created that level of connection. Maybe Antonelli could do it for Italy one day, but that is still uncertain. And it may not stop here. Fazia selves a pers Charlie box. Vi säger på ett things nej princess sägs på vad uttrycken utbytet till. Jag vet inte jag in tror lite medium there's extra which bit you want to lose maybe the minimum fantastic creatures. He says what he to those things. Those become more vocal, but still different. Russell himself admitted the reality. F1 is bigger than any driver, he said. But then he paused. Nobody would want to lose Max. He explained the frustration, saying it's natural, especially after achieving everything. He has 4 titles. At some point, you want to do what makes you smile. Now the pressure builds. Verstappen is already enjoying GT racing. He is not chasing records. He is not planning to stay forever, and that leaves Formula One in a fragile position. So the question becomes unavoidable. Can anyone truly replace Verstappen, not just as a driver, but as the face of the sports? Or is Formula One about to enter an era without a true superstar? What's your take on this situation? Share your opinion below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more Formula One updates.